It's funny how often we miss the little signs that people admire and respect us. They might not say it outright, but trust me, they show it in surprising ways. So how do you recognize these signs? How can you tell when someone truly respects and admires you? Well, that's what I'm here to help with. Let's dive into the subtle signs that people admire and respect you, even if they don't say it. 1. They listen closely. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, attention is a precious commodity. People rarely give their full, undivided attention to anything or anyone. We're constantly bombarded with distractions, making it difficult to stay present. Yet, when someone truly respects and admires you, they make an effort to listen closely. They put away their phones, maintain eye contact, and engage with your thoughts and ideas. They remember little details from your past conversations, indicating that they value what you say. This is a powerful sign of respect and admiration, and one of the subtlest yet most meaningful ways people can show they value you, even if they don't explicitly say so. Remember, actions speak louder than words. 2. They seek your advice. One of the most poignant experiences I've had with respect and admiration came from a surprising source, a former colleague. In my previous job, I worked with a brilliant woman named Mary. We were both in the same role, so there was a healthy level of competition between us. I noticed that Mary often asked for my opinion, whether it was about a work project or even something as trivial as office decor. It didn't matter that we were equals in rank or that she had more experience in the field than me. By seeking my advice, Mary was subtly showing she valued my perspective and judgment. She respected me enough to consider my opinions, even if she didn't always agree with them. This experience taught me that when people ask for your advice, it's often a subtle sign of their admiration and respect for you. After all, they wouldn't seek your counsel if they didn't value your thoughts and expertise. Wait a second, are you ready for more incredible content? Then don't just watch, become part of our family. Click that subscribe button and join the crew. Drop a like below if you're on board, and share this video to spread the word. Your engagement is our fuel. Get involved and let's ignite the conversation. 3. They mimic your body language. Did you know that when people admire or respect you, they often unconsciously mimic your body language? This is known as the mirroring effect. It's a psychological phenomenon where people tend to copy the physical mannerisms of those they admire. If you notice someone subtly aligning their posture with yours, matching your gestures, or even matching your speaking rhythm, it can be an indication of their respect and admiration for you. It's not something they're likely to be doing consciously, which makes it an incredibly genuine sign of their feelings towards you. 4. They celebrate your achievements. When people admire and respect you, they take joy in your successes. They're not envious or bitter about your achievements. Instead, they celebrate them. Whether it's a promotion at work, a personal goal reached, or even a small victory like finishing a difficult book, they are genuinely happy for you. They might congratulate you, shower you with praises, or share your happiness with others. This ungrudging celebration of your success is a powerful sign of admiration and respect. It shows they value your accomplishments and view your success as something positive, rather than a threat or cause for jealousy. 5. They trust you with their vulnerabilities. Trust is a significant indicator of respect and admiration. When someone trusts you enough to share their fears, worries, and vulnerabilities with you, it shows they hold you in high regard. Opening up about personal matters isn't easy. It requires a lot of courage and a strong belief in the other person's character. So when someone confides in you, it's because they respect your judgment, value your opinion, and feel secure in your presence. It's a subtle yet potent sign of admiration and respect, the kind that builds deep and lasting relationships. 6. They invest time in your relationship. Time is one of the most valuable assets we have. When someone chooses to spend their time with you, it's a clear sign they admire and respect you. They're not just present, they're engaged. But it's not just about the quantity of time spent together, it's about the quality as well. They engage in meaningful conversations, share experiences, and create memories with you. This investment of time and emotional energy is a heartfelt sign of their admiration. It shows they consider you important enough to allocate their most precious resource, their time. It's a sign that they value what you bring into their life and appreciate your presence. 7. They defend you in your absence. Years ago, I found myself the subject of a heated debate among a group of friends. A close buddy of mine later told me how he'd stood up for me, defending my perspective even though I wasn't there to make my case. His actions spoke volumes. It's easy to support someone when they're right there with you, but defending someone in their absence requires a deep level of respect and admiration. If people are willing to stand up for you when you're not around, it shows they have your back. They value your reputation and won't let anyone tarnish it unjustly. 8. They value your input. When people admire and respect you, they value your input. They want to hear your thoughts, ideas, and perspectives, even on matters that may not directly concern you. Whether it's a group project, a personal dilemma, or a complex issue, they seek your opinion. They genuinely believe that your insights can contribute positively to the situation. This isn't about seeking approval or validation. It's about acknowledging your wisdom and respecting your judgment. It's a subtle sign of admiration that's easy to overlook, but incredibly meaningful when you notice it. 9. They show genuine happiness for your happiness. The most telling sign of admiration and respect is when people are genuinely happy for your happiness. They share your joy, your excitement, your sense of achievement, as if it were their own. This isn't about celebrating your achievements or successes, it's about relishing your happiness. They don't need a reason or an occasion to be happy for you. Your happiness is enough to make them happy. This is the purest form of admiration and respect. It shows a deep connection and a sincere appreciation of you as a person. It's the kind of admiration that withstands the test of time, and the kind of respect that forms the foundation of enduring relationships. Human interaction is always complex, woven with threads of respect, admiration, and genuine connection. Each subtle sign we've explored is a testament to this. It's not just about recognizing these signs, but also about understanding the profound bonds they represent. Respect and admiration are the cornerstones of meaningful relationships. They are not merely expressed in grand gestures, but often whispered in small, everyday interactions. These signs remind us that respect and admiration are more than mere words. They are actions, feelings, and shared moments that weave together to form a beautiful tapestry of connection. So as you navigate through your relationships, keep an eye out for these subtle signs. They are not just indicators of how others perceive you, but also mirrors reflecting your impact on their lives. And remember, while it's wonderful to be admired and respected by others, the most profound respect and admiration should come from within you. For when you respect and admire yourself, it shines through you, inviting others to do the same.